Well, heck yeah, guys. We got it done tonight. A beautiful female coyote here. Just gorgeous. Even has a nice little white tip there on her tail. And it all came together using the Icotech GC500 AD400 decoy, along with the Canon package from 3D Night Vision. It's a $475 package. The 3D Night Vision unit just slips on the back of your existing day scope, and paired with the infrared illuminator gives you night vision using your crosshairs. And as you saw what happened, I played a few coaxers right at the beginning of the set. Played about 8 to 10 minutes between coaxers and rabbit distress. Nothing happened. Then I played JD Pat, Pup Howl, and as soon as I played the Pup Howl, it was less than a minute, and this female came walking in from around 300 yards, made it down to about 125 yards, and that was all she wrote when she stopped and gave me that shot. So I let the 6.5 Creedmoor eat on her. So y'all stay tuned for another video, and if you would, please be sure to like and share this video, and like my Facebook page, 3D Night Vision, and check out some of my other hunts on YouTube as well. Just search 3D Night Vision. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.